How to fix Vodafone Broadband no internet connection red light error. So first you need to check that your wires are connected. Make sure the DSL cable is plugged into the DSL port of your hub. Check that the other end of the DSL cable is plugged into the phone socket in the wall. If your phone socket only has one port, you need to use a microfilter for all phone sockets being used in your home. So plug your internet cable into the microfilter, then plug the microfilter into the wall. Wait for 1 minute to see if you connect to the internet. Now, if that still doesn't work, what you can do is to reboot your router. So turn off your router at the mains, wait 10 seconds before turning it back on. Now, if that doesn't work still and it's still flashing red light, what you can do is to verify the phone socket your router is using. So if you're using a single socket, what you can do is to check other devices using your phone line. So keep your router plugged in and unplug all the other devices from your phone sockets. Turn your router off using the power button at the back. Wait 10 seconds before turning it on again and wait for 1 minute to see if you're connected to the internet. If you're not connected, one of the devices you unplugged or the socket it was using was causing the issue. Now, if you still can't connect, what you can do is to change your microfilter. You need a microfilter for every phone socket you're using. If one isn't working or you are not using one, this could be causing the issue. So check the microfilter image so you know what it looks like. Now to swap the microfilter, unplug the microfilter you're currently using and plug in the new one. Turn off your router using the power button at the back. Turn off your router using the power button at the back, wait 10 seconds, then turn it on again. If you can get online now, there was a problem with the microfilter. And that is how you can basically fix Vodafone Broadband no internet connection red light error.